Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make キャベツの肉味噌炒め。It's very simple cabbage and pork stir fry. This dish to enjoy the cabbage. The porky seasoning makes it so flavorful and very filling. Perfect match with plain rice. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this キャベツの肉味噌炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage, a whole head. It's about a kilo. Like I said, this dish to enjoy the cabbage. 200 grams of ground pork. 2 tablespoons each of miso paste, sesame oil, and sake. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 2 teaspoons each of potato starch or cornstarch, doubanjiang, hot bean paste, and some garlic, 1 or 2 cloves. As always, let's finish all the cutting. So garlic. I keep them frozen, so it's still frozen, but never mind. Let's just mince it. Into the wok or frying pan. Cabbage. Let's cut it into half. And remove the core. I'm going to make it into bite-sized pieces. And you can of course cut it using knife. Or you can tear it using your hands. This part of the cabbage is a bit hard, and it takes a little longer than the leafy part to cook. So let's make it into thin slices. Same for the other half of the cabbage. It's a lot of cabbage. Before you start to stir fry, let's make the seasoning mixture so that you don't panic when you need it. You just need to put all these seasoning in one bowl and mix. Sake, sesame oil, miso, sugar, doubanjiang, the hot bean paste, two tablespoons of water. You don't need to measure it, you just eyeball it. And potato starch. Give it a good mix to dissolve miso. And the seasoning mixture is ready. Now, it's time to stir fry. So pork. I already have minced garlic in the wok. No oil needed because fat will come out from the pork. Turn the heat on and just cook it until the pork is browned. Once the pork is browned, add cabbage, all of them. You need a big wok. And keep cooking until the cabbage is wilted. Once the cabbage is wilted and cooked down to half, add the seasonings. Give it a mix one last time because the starch is sinking at the bottom. Keep cooking for a minute or so. Okay, turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve on the plate here. And キャベツの肉味噌炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The savory, sweet, salty miso pork seasoning makes the cabbage very flavorful. I said this is for 4 people, but I think I can have it all. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツの肉味噌炒め is the main, so it goes here. Let's have plain rice here. Definitely plain rice for the main. To add little more protein to the meal, let's have egg miso soup here. There is enough vegetable in the main, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!